Hi, I'm Avi, and today we're trying potato crisps from the UK. We have salt and vinegar and ready salted. Visit somekindofgeek.com, your one-stop shop for collectibles, gear, tech, and more. Let me do the salt and vinegar bit. Mostly because I like salt and vinegar chips. Just like how it looks like a Lay's bag, but it's not. Let's just hope it's not air. It's just a regular salt and vinegar chip. That's pretty much it. The chip is like very crispy. It's not like a potato chip you get from the USA. It's just a little different, not too different. It's just that this salt and vinegar chip is just better than the United States salt and vinegar chips. Next, we're gonna try ready salted potato crisps. Now, this is just probably the same as the salt and vinegar, just like the classic chips, with just salt. Well, I mean, it's more crunchy. It's got less salt than a United States chip. But it's definitely more crunchy. That was it for the potato crisp. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below what else you want us to do. And support us on Patreon so that we can make more quality content. Bye.